I, S.C. Sharma, welcome you to this travel video from Ghaziabad to Almora, Munshiari in the Himalayan region and back. We'll be here discussing here planning, preparation, steps and execution of the project. It was a senior citizens tour from 30th October to 6th November 2020. A group of 18 people, 18 senior citizens decided to go for tour and trekking tour in this Himalayan region. First of all, a WhatsApp group was formed and all the participants were made member to it. First meeting of this group was held on 21st October 2020, Wednesday at 4 p.m. in Joggers Park, Indrapuram. Most of them attended that, and we were introduced to our leader Subrato Roy and a captain Souvik Mukherjee. A few essentials which were discussed finalized in the trip were: carry out load which can be managed by self in this winter session. Secondly, ensure that track pants and lowers in place of jeans, because jeans are going to be heavier. Thirdly, in place of heavy woolen, it will be better if we take warm clothing in layers. Number fourth, take a good woolen cap and hats which covers our head and ears as well. We can shield it from direct sunlight. Inners like cotton wool are maybe required for self-warming. Socks in pairs are the must for this daily changeovers. Then two little one, keep the poly bags for wet clothes and wastages. After this meeting, a second meeting and a final meeting was held on 25th October 2020 at 7 p.m. in Millennium Public Park. And it was decided that discussion on nitty-gritty of the tour were discussed. And because of corona epidemic, e-pass was required, essential for all, which had the following information: full name, date of birth, mobile number, ID proof, and it's all mandatory for all. Then before going, a quick reminder on WhatsApp was given to all senior citizen participants to carry their own medicines with them, number one, and number two, to carry out their spectacles in bag before they leave. Thirdly, they must have water bottles. Fourthly, they must carry Aadhaar card for identification. And most important, leave your worries behind and put a broad smile on your face. And there's a saying, many things happen when men and mountain meet. And good wishes were given to all the participants. On 30th October, the D-date has come and we gathered all a bus was also ready, 25-seater tempo traveler bus, and we made the departure at 9:30 p.m. for Almora. We were all super excited for this venture and much awaited Uttarakhand journey. It was a 6 days and 5 nights journey, a rejuvenating trip. There were doctors and a paramedical on board. We reached Almora at about morning 10:30 hours. It was 300 kilometers from Indrapuram approximately, and it was a clear sky outside. We directly went to our guest house, which was about 5 kilometers away from the main city, and we had a heavy breakfast. Then we first immediately went to Kasar Devi temple, an important place in Almora, and conducted our meditation session there. Then afterwards, we went to a Binsar Bird Sanctuary at about 1:30 p.m. and it was a trekking day. We started doing trekking in Binsar jungle, and it was great. At 0 point where we reached, we could see a clear Himalayas a view, and it was deep jungles. It was a unique experience A cup of hot coffee was made there with biscuits at 0 point, and sight of a Himalaya was fascinating. A campfire in the evening at the hotel with snacks was also very exciting. On 2nd November, we proceeded from Almora to Munchiari, which was about 200 kilometers. And we reached there by late evening. Then we, after dinner, just went to the bed and got up at 4 a.m. to see the real sunrise in the Panchacholi range of mountains. It was a great experience. Panchacholi signifies the Panch Tattva in our body, and the first light falling on these Panchacholi we were fascinated by seeing the first light on these enriched mountains, the purity of nature. It was variety of experience for all sort of growth, a sort of Navankur, a purity of experience. Seeing these mountains from close range, we were really indebted to our captain for giving us a deep insight into each of the mountain and its historical aspects. One side it is Nepal, other side it is Tibet in China. Panchacholi is a range of mountains with five fingers. Each signifies each Pandavas. And a background, there was Kunti mountain and Karna mountain. It is said that Pandavas, it's also called Pandav's kitchen, where before going to heaven, Pandavas went. From there, it went from Panchacholi mountain. We did in the morning, after the sunrise, we did stretching exercises under the guidance of our captain. We feel all our thakan has gone out and we were rejuvenated. We felt that blood circulation has increased in our body with fresh oxygen. There were always all positive vibration everywhere. Later on, after breakfast, we went to Darkot on the side of river Gauri Ganga and a hot spring. We enjoyed nice lunch at the village site. On return, we visited Birti Falls from the height of water falling within height of 126 meters. We had a great feeling, beautiful memories of well-being. All elderly people enjoyed it and they were taken care of well in this wonderful company. It was a feeling of extended family, joint family. All members supported each other. The people who say the senior citizen need rest and tender must see themselves how excited they were and their participation in each event. Everybody has got their rich experience. There's an old saying by Field Marshal Cariappa, where there are guts, there is a glory. Where there are legends, there are stories. Each moment we cherished closeness of mountains. It was an awesome trip, awesome people. And there were two senior participants, more than 86 years of age. And majority of participants were senior citizens. It was a great experience for senior citizen. And nice. Thanks organizer. Thank nature. Thank God. Thank you all.